idea that women can have the best of both worlds in career and relationship hardly even works as a life template for men, let alone women. And it's a track that's leading a lot of successful women to a miserable dating life in their later years. Here's the deal. A successful woman is not the same as a successful man, at least from the point of view of dating and relationships. I know you guys hear the term hypergamy a lot, and I know you guys wonder sometimes if women truly are naturally hypergamous. Women are naturally hypergamous, which means that they desire a man that's higher up in social status, money, and stature than themselves. Naturally, the higher up the ladder these women go, the fewer men they'll find they're at the top to date. And what they find after a decade or so at their career is that men don't really care about a woman's career success much anyway. In fact, it's been shown in surveys that for men, a woman that's really ambitious or career oriented doesn't factor above traits like beauty, loyalty, and youth. On the flip side though, being resourceful and ambitious is one of the most important traits that women look for in any man. And if you look at this discrepancy, it's clear why over 45% of women are expected to be single career women in the US by 2030. However, the number will be higher than that, mark my words.